You see, today, I would just like to take this time out just to big up every single person who click on a FadaGugs video and watch it. And the reason for that, FadaGugs channel reach 300 subscribers and still climbing. So I just like to show my appreciation to the subscribers all the way down to the dislikers. So yeah, FadaGugs appreciate what I do. Keep liking, sharing, subscribing the channel. And there's a few places I mean I like for big up. I would like to big up all the way to India. You have a lot of subscribers, a lot of watchers from India. Them people, they must support the channel. Big up on yourself and enough love to you. United States, big up on yourself. I have a whole heap of people from the United States. I view the channel and I pass through the channel. I like and dislike. Big up on yourself. Continue doing what you're doing. Jamaica people, big up on yourself. Enough love to you. You support the channel from day one. You see what I'm saying? UK. But now I forget the UK people. Them there with me from day one. Big up on yourself. And continue doing what you're doing. Continue to support the channel. Like, share, subscribe. 300 subscribers. 300 may seems like nothing to some people. But when you know your channel has come from 0 and right now it reached 300, that is a big thing. And right now, FadaGugs is happy. FadaGugs is loving it. So big up on yourself. Continue to support the channel. Enough more content to come out. Enough love. FadaGugs. Yes, people. FadaGugs is here again today with another simple but very effective video. So you see today, FadaGugs are going to make an energizer smoothie. And you see this smoothie, it are going to have loads of antioxidants, loads of vitamins and minerals, which we know so our body need. So some of the ingredients I'm going to add into this smoothie, I'm going to add 1 avocado, a nice sized avocado. And you see the avocado, it is a great source of vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E, and vitamin B6. You can get magnesium, potassium, beta-carotene, and omega-3 fatty acid when you eat or drink the avocado in a smoothie like what FadaGugs are going to make today. And remember, don't throw away the avocado seed. I've got a video on how to prepare the avocado seed into a powder form so you can sprinkle it on your food, make tea with it. I'll leave a link in this video if you want to know how to make that. Next, I'm going to add 1 handful of mint. And mint, we know some mint rich in nutrients. It may improve irritable bowel syndrome. The mint, it can also help to relieve indigestion and it can also improve brain function. Then we are going to add about 7 strawberry. And strawberry, it protects our heart. It increases HDL, which is good cholesterol. It lowers blood pressure and they are packed with vitamins and fiber and a high level of antioxidant. Prunes. I'm going to add 4 prunes to this smoothie. And you see the prunes are versatile. The prunes, it can boost your immune system. The prunes, it is great for your bones. It can prevent chronic illness, prevent hemorrhoids. It can also prevent muscle cramp, fight anemia, and the prunes is also healthy for your eyesight, so it can also improve eyesight. And then I'm going to add 1.5 cup of coconut milk. But that's just a brief description of all of the ingredients them and some of the benefits them what FadaGugs are used today. I'll put a more detailed description about all of them ingredients here in the description box below, so you can go and have a look. So now let's just start the process of making that nice smoothie. So I have my bowl. I've got a container with some water. Just wash off the strawberry them and the mint leaf. So you just drop them in the water. Just wash them. You can't wash them under the top. Doesn't really matter. But just wash them in a little bowl right there. So once you're happy and satisfied, you just take them out to the water and just cut off the leafy bit off of them. Just like that. And we drop them. Just push that to the side. Just drop them in your blender. You just cut off the leafy bit and just drop them in the blender just like that. Some nice size strawberry. Them smell nice as well. Yeah, them smell sweet. Then the prunes now. Remember we use 4 pitted prunes. Just want to drop them in the blender as well. For the mint leaf, same thing. Just give them a nice wash. It's a nice wash and you just throw them in the blender. Just move this to the side. Can bring this a bit forward. Then with the avocado now, you just cut up the avocado and just drop it into the blender. Remember, save the seed. I'm gonna put a link in another video here if you want to know how to make the avocado seed powder, so you can use it in your smoothie. You can drop it in your soup or whatever you want to drop it in. So just cut up the avocado nice and just drop it in the blender. Avocado, look a bit. So there you have it. So now we're going to throw 1.5 cup of coconut milk. You can use whatever milk you want. If you want to use almond milk or whatever milk you want, you're free to use that. It's just that I'm using coconut milk today. So now what we are going to do, just drop it top our blender. And we're ready to start the process of blending. So here you have it now, people. Ready to start the process of making that nice energizer smoothie. So you need to do, you just need to blend it up really. So here you have it now, people. All finished blending and looking nice. Nice color as well. So what I'm going to do now, I just bring back my chopping board so I can put it in a nice glass so you can have a look and see the finished product. So nice glass. I just pull it open and see it. Ah, that smells nice. You can smell the nice mint. That's a push through. So here you have it, people. It's not too thick, nor not too runny. If you want it a bit thicker, just add less milk in it. Or if you want it runnier, you just put more milk in it. But that's just right. So now I just add some ingredients beside it, just to kind of decorate it a bit, make it look nice and presentable, as them always say. Then just drop a couple mint leaf on the side, just like that. Just stick a little mint at the top. And then just add some prunes. So there you have it, people. The Energizer smoothie, which we know say have a lot of antioxidant, vitamins and mineral which we know say our body need. And remember, 300 subscriber and climbing. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and share with all your friends and your family. But for now, until next time, FadaGugs is out.